Hi there, thank you for taking some time to watch this short video. I want to talk to you about a topic which stirs a wide variety of emotions and brings a lot of different reactions, many of which, for those who are not familiar with the consequences of doing the wrong thing, can get pretty upset by the discussion because it involves spending money which you don't think you'll need or that you'll never have the benefit of. So what we're talking about in this case is long-term care insurance. And I can tell you, based on my 30 years of experience, not only in the insurance business, but in dealing with people who are virtually any age, but 55, 65 plus, who either directly or indirectly, as a result of a family member needing care, find that the cost of providing care either in a private setting or in a full-fledged nursing home is so astronomical as to make your stomach turn. Today, this month, it's April 2007, I saw an article on the front page of the Richmond Times-Dispatch which basically said that the cost per person per year to have nursing home care was around $60,000 every year. And believe me, that doesn't cover all the costs associated. So if you're a married couple and one or both of you go in to a nursing home because care is otherwise not possible, you're going to spend at least $60,000 and more. And let me tell you, it doesn't take long to deplete assets down to the point where you become a Medicaid patient. And what that means is that you're on a poverty program. Now, those who have money have choices. Those who have insurance plans have choices. Those who are on Medicaid have no choices. You're going to end up spending your time in a nursing home somewhere of the choosing made by the government. In other words, not all nursing homes have a great number of Medicaid beds. Not at all. They have the minimum number required by federal law. Once those beds are filled, you are going to have to go wherever they send you. And that could be Roanoke, it could be Lynchburg, it could be Winchester, it could be anywhere in the state where there would be an available Medicaid bed. So I don't think you'd enjoy that experience, and I'm sure your family wouldn't either. So as much as you think it is possibly a waste of money, an unnecessity, something that's just too hyped, you need to remember the facts. Once your health gets to a point where you cannot take care of yourself and your spouse or family members are unable to give you the kind of care and the duration of care that you need, you're going to find yourself in a situation where you're going to spend all of your assets. You're going to spend the equity in your house, you're going to spend your savings, you're going to spend your investments, you're going to spend it all. I know this for a fact because I've seen it happen in our family. It happens because people don't want to take the opportunity to learn more about long-term care health insurance. And let me tell you, once you get into your 50s, it's one of the most important health insurance plans you can have. A lot of people think it costs too much money and that they're never going to use it and they're going to lose their money. Well, let me ask you this. If you're a 25-year-old person and have a life insurance plan, would you prefer to live and not use that plan, or would you prefer to have that plan get executed? Same thing with long-term care. If you don't need it, it's money spent that gives you and your family peace of mind. It's okay to protect yourself and not have to use the benefit. But since when we all get older, we all suffer the same kind of decline in health issues, having a long-term care policy in force that protects your assets, protects your family, gives you some choices, is the smartest choice. Now, with that in mind, what I'd like to propose to you is that we sit down and have an educational session where I can tell you about things which I'm sure you don't know about. This is a business that I spend my life in, and it's one where you don't. And I can assure you, just as with any other professional service, there's lots to know and very little time to learn about it. So I've spent my time learning about this, educating other people in the past, and helping them make decisions which make sense financially and emotionally to all of those involved. You directly, your spouse, your family members, It's something that is so important that I've decided that I'm going to dedicate myself exclusively to this, because this is the most important financial issue that your family is ever going to face. And let me tell you, from the financial standpoint, I have spent 30 years helping people with their financial investments with major stock brokerage firms as an independent firm. And I can tell you, there is no other issue more important than this. So, what I would encourage you to do is call me or email me. The way that you learned about me, either by an email or on a postcard or a flyer, has contact information. Contact me. Let your guard down. I'm not going to do anything to you. I'm not going to bring out an application. I'm not going to tie you in a corner. I'm going to educate you so that you know what the facts are. And then when you know the facts and make whatever decision you're going to make that makes financial sense to you, you're going to be happier and more secure, and I'm going to be satisfied that you've done the right thing for yourself. So take the time, contact me, have no fear. I'm not going to do anything to harm you. I'm going to educate you. Take care.